a piece of heaven. First of all, I would like to say that I'm pleased to talk about قطعه. It's difficult for us to believe that قطعه exists, this green, joyful, fresh paradise, in a desert land with no crops or water. It's one of the greatest gifts of Allah Almighty in this country and the entire world. The princess of this orchard, oasis, and which wasn't planted by anyone, but rather rose among the bosoms of nature and in its corridors, without any human intervention. We saw the values flowing through it, and the people there eating and enjoying its abundant resources, its green crops, its resources, its red and yellow flowers, and the water courses near it. Its royal land, kings and princes enjoy it, people rejoice. In this great oasis, we are not seeing that it's the greenest place, but it's the miracle that it's a beautiful paradise. Midst the dry and strong dance, it's an exceptional case in the harmony of nature between desert and forest. These are just a few things we should know about قطعه.
انظر ترى الطبيعة جميلة بديعة تستقبل الصباح وتحمل الأفراح أطيارها تغني في الروض ألف لحن وزهرها البديع يزهى به الربيع أنسامه اللطيفة وروحه الخفيفة تغدو مع الطيور فرحانة بالنور